Shout out to everybody here. My name is Samuel James Price, the Crypto Lifer, and every single day I give you the news, 3 to 5 minute segment to kind of get it kicking, get it going, and show you what's happening. Whether it's fintech, Web3, crypto, or finance, we got the news, baby. Let's get in. Let's find out what's happening. GBTC discount to NAV hits lowest level since 2021 as SEC elects not to appeal the grayscale ruling. So this is a big deal. We didn't get an approval, but they had a shot. They basically didn't approve the ETF. Then grayscale appealed it. The SEC had till 12 o'clock Saturday night, I believe, to appeal that. They did not. And next thing you know, I think it was Friday night, actually. And next thing you know, and we had a weekend pump like you read about for Bitcoin. We really did. We're still holding 28,100, which is the weekly resistance. We get above that, we're going to be in for some more pumps. And this is a big deal. You know, you could have gotten grayscale so cheap on a discount paired to Bitcoin, you know. And now that discount is getting closer and closer to be, and soon it will be over. It will be a premium. You'll have to pay more. You'll have to pay more for it. Why? Well, people have access to Bitcoin without buying Bitcoin, so there's a little bit of an incentive there. When Bitcoin's down and out and no one wanted it, you know, you basically kind of got a deal because no one cared, right? But once Bitcoin gets hot and everyone wants it again, this is going to get into demand because people are going to get, they're going to like, I don't want the hardware wallet, I don't want to do all that, so I'll buy GBTC, and it gives it a premium. So this is kind of something actually you can make even more money against because you can buy on the discount and sell at the premium. Pretty interesting. So this is a big deal. It's also, we should kind of get an indicator, the GBTC premium indicator, in the next 4 or 5 years as it continues. It tells you when the markets are actually starting to take a bit of a move and turning on us. So that's interesting and something you want to kind of keep paying attention to as Grayscale gets that ETF. BNB-based AI platform MyShell raises funds at $57 million valuation. Another project that we've never heard about. MyShell raised $5.6 billion in seed funding on ITrust Capital. It's an Optimism BNB-based platform that offers AI tools with token metrics aspect. MyShell, an BNB-based platform that offers AI tools, has raised $5.6 million in seed round funding. Wow. The round was led by ITrust Capital, which participation from ITrust Capital, Folius Ventures, 7X Ventures, OP Crypto, and others. MyShell said Monday this was an equity with token warrants round and brought MyShell's valuation to $57 million. A co-founder, Ethan Sun, told The Block in an interview. MyShell also raised a small $20,000 pre-seed round earlier this year from friends in the crypto community. What is MyShell? It's a Web3-enabled AI platform that enables creative, personalized chatbots called shells. The platform is for both content creators and consumers. Creators can generate AI content bots, and consumers can find and use those bots. As for the Web3 aspect, Sun said there would be a token rewards for both creators and consumers. Creators will get MyShell's native token when their content bots get traction. Meanwhile, consumers will be able to stake on top of AI bots and generate income. Since its launch in May, MyShell claims to have already gained over 30,000 creators and over 400,000 users. It aims to bring a creator ecosystem to blockchain. The AI landscape today is grappling with pressing challenges, including a lack of transparency, centralization, and misaligned incentives. Migration from Polygon to OpBNB. MyShell is currently offering some features on Polygon, but it's set to migrate to OpBNB Layer 2 network on the BNB chain that utilizes Optimism Stack and Optimism rollups. BNB is continuing to go up in value. If you know, people think that Binance is going down and all, I keep hearing that. That was insane. Like Binance going down. Dude, they just got more licenses in more countries around the world. They may have some issues here at home, but they're broadening their reach around the globe. And the BNB chain and PancakeSwap was a staple. I became the cake man. I found cake at 60 cents. It changed this whole channel. It changed my whole life. And I've been doing DeFi for a long time. And I'm going to get back into it pretty hard when the market starts to rip again. Bitcoin jumps to 30K and then dumps as false spot ETF approved, reports circulate. Glass data shows that 72 million worth of short positions were liquidated on the move to 30K, and a $31 million in longs were liquidated during the correction. It definitely was a fast up and down movement. If you didn't know how to trade technical analysis, we got you out, in and out of that. Our group made boatloads of money. You might have missed it. I'm sure some people got rocked and wrecked because they used their emotions to chase. They didn't have a setup that they were waiting on. They weren't disciplined. If you stay disciplined, you keep your setup, you go after your setup, you're going to be all right. But multiple liquidations. We saw it here live on the channel. It was insane. But that news was, we did find out that news was not real. The ETF was not approved. However, they didn't, appeal. They didn't go against the SEC, the Grayscale's appeal against the SEC. So that, there's a bit of gray. We're in a gray area, no pun intended, when it comes to this in Grayscale. So, but again, we didn't get the official word. So that was false news that definitely pumped the price. A lot of people took it, ran with it, and when all over the internet, I woke up thinking, too, that there's a chance that the ETF did get approved. So there you go. Remember, too, for news this week, 18 Fed speeches this week, including Jerome Powell on Thursday. It's going to affect the markets. However, the CME Watch tool says that we will not get a rate hike in November. So far, there's about a 92% chance that we will not get a rate hike. Everybody, thank you so much for watching. My name is Samuel James Price, the Crypto Lifer. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. You can find out when I post my next video. Remember, if you came to the channel, then you're already doing the right thing. Crypto is life.